Welcome, in front of me is a TCL 305I, and today I'll show you how we can wipe cache partition on this device. Now to get started, you'll need to turn it off, so hold your power button and select power off. And once the device turns off, you want to hold your power button and volume up at the same time. After a moment, this will boot us into bootloader, from which we can select recovery mode, which is at the very top. So using volume up, you want to have the arrow jump all the way to the top, like so, and then press volume down to confirm it. And in a moment, we should be presented with recovery mode, where we will find our wipe cache partition option. So there we go. Once in here, you can use both volume buttons to navigate either up or down. So I'm gonna use volume down to scroll down, select wipe cache partition, and then confirm it using your power button. Affirm this by selecting yes. And there we go. At the bottom you should see cache wipe complete, and reboot system now will be selected by default, so press power button once again, and this will now take you back to Android. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.